Shit.
Keep going, exit the freeway. Keep going, exit the freeway.
What did I do now? Bam, 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 bam. I wonder what these people do for a living. I don't. Can I get into my backpack?
Your backpack.
My ID.
Speed and pull over the solid white line.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, they just changed. Huh? I forgot they changed the carpool because I just got back from Hawaii. Been there for the last few months, so a lot of this is all new to me.
You've been living here for.
Oh, I've been living here for a while. I just did a job in Hawaii.
You know those solid white lines?
I was gone for like 4 months.
And what does that have to do with anything though?
No, I didn't know there were solid lines there.
Oh, okay.
I haven't been paying attention because you know how they've been shifting the freeway a lot, and I didn't even know that a carpool was there. It started up here on Carmenita.
Yeah. No, that's
My bad.
No, that's reasonable. But you're going a little faster.
No, I know. I gotta cool it down.
Everybody's speeding on the freeway. But
Yeah.
speeding.
Oh, sorry.
Everyone's speeding and you're.
Sometimes you get a little...
Like they're not even moving.
No, I know. Sometimes you get a little excited, and like I said, I haven't ridden in like 4 months, so.
And I was about to call the airship to come down too.
Oh no, I pull over. I have license, a registration, my plate. There's no need for me to run.
You can't be riding like
I know. It's just it's been a while since I've ridden.
Literally, right before I saw you, we had a broadcast. Southbound side, bikes, stopping traffic.
Oh,
I
okay.
know it's not you.
Yeah, honestly.
I'm looking for those bikes and I see you just.
Yeah, no, I got you. I don't even do group rides or any of that because I know it's so many laws are broken in those, and then you might not do it, but you get associated, you know.
Exactly. It's like those car groups, you know.
Yeah, like they're always around here.
But you guys slow down.
Yeah, I know. My bad. It's just been a while. I'm sorry.
I know you don't need a $500 ticket to slow down.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Okay, ride safe.
All right, thank you.